Look at that truck that drove in. I wonder who's in there. Let's have a look. Oh, these are wild animals. In the truck's body, there are holes. We can put the animals into them. For each animal, we have to find a hole that matches the shape. Let's try. Bear. No, it doesn't fit here. Maybe in this hole. Lion. Leopard. Wolf. Cheetah. Giraffe. Rhinoceros. Uh-oh, it doesn't go through. Maybe in here. Now it is all right. Monkey. Crocodile. New. Elephant. Zebra. Ostrich. Let's try again. Tiger. Hippopotamus. Wonderful! All of the animals are inside. The truck can drive away now. Bye, truck. Come back again.